All right, for the next one now, we have our legs labeled 35 and 12, and we need to calculate and figure out what our C would equal. So, Evelyn, what is our formula we use to be able to find our C called?
Pythagorean theorem.
Exactly. Do you remember what the Pythagorean theorem is?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Nice. So let's decide. What do you want our A to be? 35 or 12?
12.
12, right? Does it matter if we chose 35 or A instead? Would we have still gotten the same answer?
You would still get the same answer.
Exactly, right? Because addition is cumulative, which means that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Or 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. You still get 3 in the end. So let's have our A be 12. So that's 12. We include the squared in, bam, plus 35. And always remember that's squared, equals, well, we don't have the C squared yet, so we're just going to bring that right on down, C squared. So now we got to do some calculations here. So we got to use our handy dandy calculator, and we need to figure out what 12 squared is. And that would be 12 times 12. What does 12 times 12 equal?
144.
144. And then what is, ooh, this is a doozy. What's 35 squared, or 35 times 35 equal?
1,225.
Nice. Okay, so that's 1,225. And that equals our C squared. So, what's 1,225 plus 144?
1,369.
1,369. And that's what equals our C squared. Are we done yet?
No, sir.
No, right? Because we need to do one last step. What's our final step?
Square root C squared.
Right, because we see the C squared, be able to eliminate the square, we need the opposite operation, which is to square roots. That's the opposite of squaring something. And whenever we do the one side, we also have to do to the
other side,
right? So that's one. What is the square roots of 1,369?
37.
37. So we know that C is equal to 37 feet. And that right there is our hypotenuse and our final answer. Good job, Evelyn.